Hello everyone, this is Bobo Station. Today I'm gonna print out Supreme Gold Bar made by Jaden Brooks, Louis Vuitton Supreme Gold Bar. The knife is not included. We're gonna print out only gold bar. Well, is there even real Louis Vuitton gold bar? Let me find it. Louis V Vuitton gold bar. I guess they are not. The size of gold bar is about 10 centimeter for width and 6 about 7 centimeter for the height and 2.5 centimeter for the depth, and it's gonna take about 3 hours. And also I'm gonna print out fine pure gold bar made by Swim God, and it's 99.99% pure gold bar, 1 kilogram net weight, 1000 gram. I'm gonna be a rich. Let's print now. Because the original size of gold bar is too small, I'm gonna enlarge it by about 140%, and then its size will be 4 centimeter for width and 8 centimeter for height and 1.5 centimeter for the depth, and it takes about an hour. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you want to know how to make 3D printer by yourself, please click here and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.